Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I have a really tiny top tip for you. How many times have you cut your notches into your pattern pieces when you're making garments, gone to overlock or serge all of the edges of your work and completely lost the notches and you then can't find them? Conveniently, Elspeth here has just come in and she has cut out a garment and she's sitting overlocking, so I thought I'd show you my trick for not losing them. Okay, so Elspeth has a notch here. You can just see that there. She's actually marked where her notches are roughly with a pin. So Elspeth, what I want you to do, as you overlock, just pull it apart a little bit as you overlock over that notch. Just pull a little bit on that fabric, so you're pulling it apart. Keep going. So I asked Elspeth to mark where her notches were with a pin just so that I could show you. Now this has just been overlocked without pulling it apart, and you can see I have to really look. I can see it's there, it's ever so tiny, but I have to really look for that overlocked notch. This one though, which she marked with a pin, you can see straight away as soon as I lift it up here, you can see the light shining through the gap, where she's just pulled it apart ever so lightly and ever so gently, but it's just made her notch that much more visible. So did you find that useful?
Yes, now I can find my notches.
There you go. Another short but very sweet top tip from me. I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.